it's me again. I wanted to get on film about my excitement and enthusiasm and the butterflies I've got. I cannot believe you actually emailed me back and said I'm down to the last 35. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I am really excited at this potential opportunity. I wanted to answer your question about promoting Intrepid. I am more than willing to do that. I have actually used your company before. I've booked trips and I've had the most fantastic experiences. I can't enthuse enough about how I would love other travellers to have those same experiences. Using Intrepid Travel, there are so many reasons why you should use Intrepid Travel. For starters, you get to meet some fantastic people. I mean, travelling in the small groups that you do, it's really family orientated, and you get to really close people, and it's actually really sad when you have to say goodbye to them. I mean, when you spend 2 or 3 weeks travelling around together, you're in each other's pockets. I mean, the purpose of going to a country really is the fantastic opportunity of diving in and really feeling the culture and tasting their food, understanding their way of lives. I mean, that is exactly what I love about going to see new countries. It's an education, and that is exactly what Intrepid offers. I can't go on enough about how much I could and I would want to promote Intrepid. I think that's really all I do need to say. I don't know, where you're going to send me next? I don't know. Enough already. Pamela Brown from London Town.